My name is Amritash. I work out of Chennai. I work with schools to get them to get their children to love to read. So we do teacher workshops. We recommend schools on what books they can recommend to their children. We make activity modules. We do a lot of storytelling. Yeah, that's basically what we do. We started in 2009 end. How we started is we were running a library and we were working with the school, and the school principal was an English teacher, and she asked us to kind of figure out how to get children to read. So we kind of worked with her teachers, with her students. Took a long time. It took almost 18 months to figure it out, but yeah, it's been about 3-4 years. What we do is the first thing we do is we read a lot of books, and we sort through them and figure out what are the books that children will like, at what age group. We sequence them and basically make a large recommendation list. And after this, what we do is from these recommended lists, we take out books and themes that repeat and make activities out of it. So we basically make class modules out of it. So suppose, say we recommend Alice in Wonderland, we kind of make the class module on how to take Alice in Wonderland in classroom as part of your curriculum. We are working with mostly private schools and trust-based schools. But we have tried working with government-aided schools. The problem is that the product requires children to know language really well. So it may not work in its current form. It may not work that well in government schools, because what ends up happening is that we end up becoming proxy English teachers, which is not the purpose of the program. The purpose of the program is, if you know English, we'll get you to love literature and thereby enrich your lives. We're working with a couple of schools in Chennai. We're working with PS Senior, Bhavans, Vidya Mandir. In Trichy, we work with one of the biggest schools in Trichy called Kamala Niketan. We work in Nilgiri's district. We work with a couple of residential schools. We've just entered Kochi. We are working with one of the bigger schools. Bangalore, we are working with one of the bigger schools. So I don't think every school needs our product. A few schools want it. Not every school has literature as their priority. They would rather make sure that their kids do better in maths and science first. So given that constraint, we're doing well. We're touching about 40 schools in the south, including interior Tamil Nadu, Trichy, Madurai, Coimbatore, things like that. I don't know, math lab, science lab, all that. But we go and tell them we'll help you in your English education. There's very few companies doing it, literally 4 or 5. So it's a small niche. So schools that are interested already know that there are a couple of products. It's just a question of saying, hello, we exist. Can we come and meet you? Sometimes they say yes, sometimes they say no. That's all. So the thing that happens in school education is that our annual sales cycle is 1 year. So if we sold something this year, we have to wait for a whole year to get into new schools. So we're not looking at a very, like they say, pivoted scale up. That doesn't happen in education. Over about 5 years, we are trying to reach about 1,000 schools. Well, the thing that we require the most is time. We don't have a large marketing budget, so we need people to talk about us, help us get in touch with schools. That's more or less it. I mean, it works. The good thing is it works. We need a lot of trainers, and it takes us a long time to train the trainers and get them to places. So what happens is that we schedule these workshops, and invariably all schools call us at the same time. They're opening in June, they'll call us in May last week, and you can't go to all schools. So there's a lot of scheduling problems, resource problems, travel problems, stay problems, so logistics, operations kind of problems. But on a product level, I think touch wood, it's working right now. We haven't had major issues. We do look for a lot of collaborations with writers, illustrators, designers, because we create lots of activities, and some of them it helps if you're a little creatively oriented. So my team has ex-doctors, ex-dentists, ex-biologists, ex-engineers, ex-reporters. There's this one girl who has joined us who her job is to make board games for classroom. So it's a lovely job.